Hello everyone, today let me show you our assembly of the Kids e-motorcycle bikes. First, we insert the keyboards into the frame. We install the rear light to the rear fender. We fix the rear mudguard on the frame. We install the motorcycle. We assemble the front mudguard. We press in the fork stem inner nut. We assemble the head parts. We fix the handlebar and stem securely. We make all electric keyboards connection. Make sure same color pins connecting carefully. We install the disc brakes, brake lever, and the brake cables. We install the kickstand. We install the protection boards on both sides of battery. We well organize our cables. We assemble the front and rear wheel. With the torque wrench. We make sure secure connection in key process. It's no different from the car assembly. We install the footrest. We make the cables integrated and tidy for good looking and safe. We need to make sure the gap between brake pad and disc is within the 0.5 millimeters. We check and test the handlebar and brakes. We check from the display to make sure all electric parts working. We check and make sure front lights working. This is riding test for the overall performance of the bike. This is a reliable packing way. Solid ultra cotton boards, inner protection pads. This is a part of our assembly of our electric kids bike, and please follow us, and we will bring more video details of our products and our production. This children's e-bike enjoys a great appeal at the recent Canton Fair, and this bike will become very popular in the future. So we hope you will grasp this business chance. Thank you.